Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your account and getting the stream key. You need live streaming enabled and verification complete. Once done, open YouTube Studio, select Create, then go live and copy the stream key. Make sure to keep the key private. It links your encoder to your channel. If you plan scheduled streams, set title, privacy, and start time now so more data propagates. Also decide whether you'll use webcam, phone, or external encoder before moving to software setup. Now configure your encoder. Install OBS or your chosen software and create a scene with sources for camera, microphone, and any screen capture. In Settings, right arrow stream, paste the stream key and pick the recommended server. Auto typically works. Then set output. Encoder to X264 or hardware, bitrate based on upload speed. Test with 2500 6000 kbps for HD. Set video resolution and FPS to match. To go live, press Start Streaming in your encoder and switch to YouTube Studio. You should see a live preview and health status. Once preview looks good, click Go Live on YouTube and monitor chat and analytics for dropped frames or bitrate warnings. If you encounter problems, stop, recopy the stream key, restart the encoder, check firewall/router port restrictions, and test upload speed. Switch to a lower bitrate if unstable. Finally, end stream cleanly from YouTube, then stop your encoder to finalize recording.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.